Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing what you actually earn and what you must achieve. Write every income source and set 1 to 3 monthly goals: essentials, debt reduction, and emergency savings. Once done, pick a tracking method that you will use daily, an app for automation, or a simple spreadsheet if you want control. Make sure to time box this first step to 30-60 minutes. Starting with clear numbers prevents guesswork and gives you a foundation to allocate dollars intentionally. You now take your income and divide it across categories so every dollar has a role. Start by classifying expenses as fixed, variable, or discretionary, then assign amounts aligned to your goals. Use a rule like 50/30/20 as a baseline, or create custom ratios that reflect your situation. Once allocations exist, track actual spending daily and reconcile weekly. This reveals where to cut or reallocate. If a category overflows, move small amounts from discretionary to cover it immediately. You finish by reconciling your budget and locking it in for the month. Compare budgeted totals to actual spending, automate transfers for savings and bills, and create a small buffer for variable costs. Once complete, schedule a short monthly review to reassign any surplus toward goals or cover deficits. If tracking fails, troubleshoot by reducing category granularity, checking automation for errors, and resetting expectations. A realistic revision prevents discouragement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.